Ever pondered what lies beyond our blue planet? How will we get there? The future of space travel holds some fascinating answers. As we cast our gaze into the cosmos, the importance of space exploration becomes ever more apparent. It's not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about expanding our understanding of the universe, discovering new resources, and pushing the boundaries of human potential. But to truly venture into the vast expanse of space, we need advanced technologies. Technologies that can propel us faster, keep us safe, and sustain life in the most inhospitable environments. That's why we're embarking on an exciting journey today, to count down the top 5 technologies that could redefine the way we travel in space. From engines that could outpace anything we've seen before, to artificial intelligence that could make autonomous interstellar travel a reality, these technologies are truly revolutionary. Now, prepare to dive into the future, one revolutionary technology at a time. At number 5, we have advanced propulsion systems. Now let's delve into the exciting world of advanced propulsion. Currently, our space exploration is hindered by the limitations of our propulsion systems. Our traditional fuel-based rockets can only take us so far and so fast. But imagine if we could travel at speeds unimaginable today. Advanced propulsion systems promise just that. We're talking about technologies like ion propulsion, which uses electric power to create thrust by accelerating ions. Then, there's nuclear propulsion, which uses nuclear reactions to generate thrust. These technologies aren't just theoretical, they're being tested and refined as we speak. With these advanced systems, we're looking at faster, more efficient space travel. Think about it. Instead of spending months or even years on a space journey, we could reduce travel times dramatically. With these systems, we could be zipping across our solar system or even beyond. Scene script, coming in at number 4, space habitats. Imagine, if you will, a future where we don't just visit space, but we live there. As we venture further into the cosmos, the need for long-term living solutions becomes paramount, and that's where space habitats come in. These aren't just bases or stations, but complex, self-sustaining environments where humans can live, work, and thrive. Consider the potential of technologies like 3-dimensional printing. Picture entire modules of a space habitat printed layer by layer right in space. Advanced life support systems would recycle air, water, and waste, creating a closed-loop ecosystem that mirrors Earth's own cycles. And it's not just a concept anymore. Plans for space habitats are already on drawing boards, ready to be brought to life. They promise us a future where we're not just visitors in space, but residents. Imagine living among the stars, in a home beyond Earth. Imagine that indeed. At number 3, we find artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't just about robots doing our house chores. It's about creating smart systems that can think, learn, adapt, and make decisions. In space exploration, AI could be a game changer, automating complex tasks that would take humans hours, if not days, to complete. Imagine a spacecraft that can navigate treacherous asteroid fields on its own, or a rover that can scan alien terrains and decide the best path forward. Already we're seeing glimpses of this future. For instance, NASA's Perseverance rover uses AI to identify interesting geological features on Mars. But that's just the start. In the future, AI could take on more roles, like analyzing vast amounts of data from space telescopes, simulating cosmic events, or even exploring distant planets and galaxies on its own. These intelligent systems could become our cosmic explorers, venturing where no human has gone before. With AI, we could have eyes and ears exploring the cosmos far beyond our reach. At the runner-up spot, quantum communications. Space is vast, and the traditional methods of communication we use on Earth, well, they just don't cut it when we're talking about the cosmic scale. The signals can take minutes, hours, even days to reach their destination. And security? Let's just say it's not exactly foolproof. Now imagine a method of communication that's not only faster, but also more secure. That's where quantum communications come into play. Harnessing the peculiar properties of quantum physics, this technology could allow us to send information almost instantaneously, no matter the distance. And thanks to quantum encryption, those communications would be incredibly secure. Imagine being able to have real-time conversations with astronauts on Mars, or receiving high-resolution images from probes at the edge of our solar system within seconds. With quantum communications, we could be connected to our astronauts and spacecraft like never before. And now, the top spot goes to bioengineering. Imagine a future where we don't just send humans to space, but we engineer life itself to thrive beyond our atmosphere. This is not a science fiction fantasy, but a potential reality offered by bioengineering, a field of study that could redefine space travel as we know it. Bioengineering is the application of principles of biology and the tools of engineering to create usable, tangible products. In the context of space travel, it opens up a myriad of possibilities. For instance, we could genetically modify astronauts to be better suited for long-duration space travel. We could make them more resistant to radiation, decrease their bone and muscle loss, even modify their sleep cycles to better adapt to the rhythms of space. And it's not just about the astronauts. What about the food they eat? Currently, astronauts rely on freeze-dried meals. But what if we could engineer plants that could grow in the harsh Martian soil or in the weightless environment of a spacecraft? This would not only provide fresh food, but also help recycle carbon dioxide into breathable oxygen. But bioengineering for space travel isn't without its challenges. There are ethical considerations, for instance, about the extent to which we should modify life. And there are technical hurdles too. We are just starting to understand the complexity of the human genome, and engineering it for space travel is no small feat. Yet the potential rewards are enormous. Bioengineering could enable us to have a permanent presence in space, to colonize other planets, and perhaps even to explore the farthest reaches of our solar system and beyond. So, as we look to the final frontier, it is not just technology that will get us there, but life itself, engineered to survive and thrive in the vast expanse of space. With bioengineering, we could become a truly spacefaring species. So there you have it, the top 5 technologies that could redefine space travel. We've delved into the potential of advanced propulsion systems, which could drastically reduce our travel time to distant galaxies. We've discussed the concept of space habitats, a revolutionary idea that could make living in space a reality. We've also explored the role of artificial intelligence and how it could automate and optimize our space missions, making them safer and more efficient. We've looked at quantum communications, a technology that could enable instant, secure communication across vast distances in space. Finally, we've examined the intriguing world of bioengineering, a field that could unlock the secrets of human adaptation to space environments, potentially paving the way for long-term space colonization. The future of space travel is bright, filled with possibilities beyond our wildest dreams. Who knows what the next great leap for mankind will be?